welcome guys. Welcome to my legal solving section. So let's talking about this 1925 count square sum triples. So here you have the square triples ABC, and basically this is the Pythagorean triple. So a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Okay, so given integer n, you need to return a number of square triples such that they are both less than n. Okay, so obviously if c is less than or equal to n, then a, b will be, right? So actually we only need one constraint. Okay, so this can be very easy to do. So what I did is that I just write down a so-called perfect square, which is a help function such that to check that whether a number is a perfect square. So let's say if n is 16, then it should return true, right? So basically it's just take a square roots and square it and check whether it's the same as the integer. Okay, so so once we have this perfect square, if n is 0, I define n is 0, then I start from 3 to n, right? Why 3 to n? Because I know that the smallest Pythagorean triple must start at 3. Right? So 3 is the lowest one, and for j is 3 to n, then I just check that whether their product I to j is a perfect square, and whether they're less or equal to n squared. Okay, so there are two conditions. If it both satisfied, I just add 1. Okay, so until I finish. Okay, I think this is just very easy, just write down each step. Okay, see you guys in the next videos.